Hi, Ray Nolan, Specialized Solar Systems. Recently we completed an energy solution for our client, Inverroche Distillery. We have completed this project in 2 phases. We installed 240 kilowatt peak of solar panels, which are on roofs all over the facility. They are then brought together into an equipment room where we have 200 kVA Atess hybrid inverters. With those hybrid inverters, we have 2 high voltage Freedom 180 lithium iron phosphate batteries. The phases have been done because currently the Inverroche Distillery has a 100 kVA ESCOM transformer. So we are limited and can only connect the first Atess machine. They have applied now to upgrade the ESCOM transformer to a 200 kVA transformer. Once this is done, we can return to site and connect the second machine and also connect the other 120 kilowatt peak solar array. This will take the system to a 200 kVA system and a 240 kilowatt peak solar array.